Okay, we have a 2008 BMW 128i. The bolts for the AC compressor broke. All 3 aluminum bolts broke out. To get to it, the whole front has to be removed. Then, when you get to it, one bolt here broken, one bolt here broken, the other one here, as you can see right there, broken. Thank you, BMW. Thank you very much. So, it's an ordeal to get to those 3 bolts. However, when you put it back, if you get it out and you put it back, you got to use stainless steel bolts. Once again, thank you, BMW.